Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Dr. Travel Queen store. I am Yvette McQueen, MD, emergency physician and travel doctor, a global physician on a mission to educate about health, travel wellness, and disease prevention. I help travelers like you to stay healthy and safe while traveling, along with giving wellness tips. My sponsored product is the mini travel kit. So this mini kit in a mesh bag, it can also be a mini hygiene kit that you can keep in your office desk drawer or coming from the gym. But everything comes in a mesh bag. You can put it on your carry-on. Doesn't add extra weight. In each bag, you will get an individually wrapped black facial 3-ply mask. You will get a body wipe. This is the shower pill. One wipe will cover the entire body too, so you can refresh after working out or that long flight. Each kit will come with trip wipes. You get 2 of them. This has no alcohol in it, but it's antibacterial, and you can use it on any surface and your hands. It also comes with the 2-piece mini toothbrush. It has the toothpaste on it so you can refresh and have good oral hygiene. It comes with the deodorant wipe, just in case that bag is lost and you need to refresh. It also comes with 2 shower gel pods, okay? This one pod is good for at least 1 shower. And it comes with a shrink wrap towel. So each towel, whether it's square or a disc, once you place it in water, comes out to become a full facial towel that's disposable. And then each kit will also have a customized first aid kit of Band-Aids, antibacterial ointment, and wipes. So you can get this mini travel kit for 20% off in this store with the code Audacity 2021. Audacity 2021 will give you 20% off of actually any item. So if you peruse my store and want to see something else, I have my book here, Travelpedia. It's a guide on how to travel efficiently, healthy, and safely. So it gives you great tips, of course, in the beginning if you're a new traveler, but then it tells you about other things like jet lag and eating out, or if you have traveler's diarrhea. But for you more experienced travelers, if you want something more and more in depth, my pre-launch, you can pre-order my book that's due to launch in April 2021, and it's called Travel 911. Yes, Travel 911. It's a guide for travelers like you. It's a health guide. You want to avoid negative disruptions in your travel experiences. So it gives valuable information about things to pack to keep you healthy, wellness tips, health situations to anticipate, and other travel-related medical problems, along with a quick chapter on first aid and how to recognize and handle a medical emergency if it should happen to you. So yes, you can pre-order. It's coming out in April 2021, Travel 911, written by the emergency physician and travel doctor. So enjoy my store, DrTravelQueen.com. Once again, go to DrTravelQueen.com. 20% off on any item using Audacity 2021 discount. And you can follow me on all social media, Yvette McQueen, MD, and my website is YvetteMcQueenMD.com. So enjoy and ciao for now. Peace and love. Travel safely.